Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we are going to study about semiconductor diodes, the most frequently asked MCQs on that topic. So let's begin. First question is, a crystal diode has 1 PN junction, 2 PN junction, 3 PN junction or 4 PN junction. So the answer is 1 PN junction. Next question, the reverse current in a diode is of the order of kiloamperes, milliamperes, microampere or amperes. So the answer is microamperes. Next question, diode is used as an amplifier, B, rectifier, C, an oscillator or D, as a voltage regulator. So the answer is rectifier. Next question, the leakage current in a crystal diode is due to A, minority carriers, B, majority carriers, C, junction capacitance or D, junction barrier. So as you know, the leakage current is always due to minority carriers. Next question, if the doping level of a crystal diode is increased, the breakdown voltage remains the same, is increased, is decreased or changes exponentially. So if the doping level is increased, the breakdown voltage decreases, which happens in Zener diode. If the doping level in a crystal diode is increased, here the width of depletion region remains the same, is increased, is decreased, changes exponentially. So now the depletion region is increased if the doping level is increased. Next question, a Zener diode is used as a amplifier, a voltage regulator, rectifier or a multivibrator. So the Zener diode is always or mostly used as a voltage regulator. Next question, Zener diode is a dash device, a non-linear device, a linear device, an amplifying or an oscillating. Answer is non-linear. How many junctions do a diode consist? 0, 1, 2 or 3. As you know, the answer is 1. It is a 1 PN junction. Zener diodes are generally made up of germanium, silicon, carbon or arsenic. And the answer is silicon. Next, which of this is the best description for a Zener diode? A, it is a diode. It is a constant current device. It is a constant voltage device. Or it works in the forward region. And the answer is it is a constant voltage device. Next, in the PN junction, when no external voltage, the electric field between acceptor and the donor ions is called as a peak, barrier, threshold or path. And the answer is barrier. Next, in an unbiased PN junction, the junction current is due to minority carriers only. The junction current at equilibrium is 0 as equal but opposite carriers are crossing the junction. The junction current reduces with rise in temperature, or the junction current at equilibrium is 0 as charges do not cross the junction. The answer is B. Next question. When PN junction is in forward bias, by increasing the battery voltage, circuit resistance increases, current through PN junction increases, current through PN junction decreases, or current and voltage decreases. So when the PN junction is in forward bias, current through the PN junction increases. Next question, as a PN junction is forward biased, holes as well as electrons tend to drift away from the junction. The depletion region decreases, the barrier tends to break down or the conduction decreases. So as the PN junction is forward bias, the depletion region decreases. Next, if the arrow of a PN junction diode symbol is positive with respect to bar, then the diode is dash biased. Forward, reverse, either forward or reverse, neither forward or reverse. So the answer is forward. Next, the forward voltage drop across a silicon diode is about dash 2.5 volts, 3 volts, 10 volts or 0.7 volts. As you know, in a silicon diode, the forward voltage drop is 0.7 volts. Next question. An ideal diode is one which behaves as a perfect dash when forward biased. Conductor, insulator, resistance material or semiconductor. As you know, when the diode is forward biased, it acts as a short circuit or as a conductor. Next, if the temperature of a diode increases, then leakage current remains the same, decreases, increases or becomes zero. The leakage current increases. A Zener diode has one PN junction, two PN junction, three PN junctions or four PN junctions. And here also the answer is one PN junction. Next, Zener diode is always dash connected. Reverse, forward, neither reverse or forward, neither reverse or forward. So Zener diode usually we connect in reverse bias condition. Next question, a Zener diode is a battery, has a constant voltage in the breakdown region, has a barrier potential of 1 volts or is forward biased. So the answer is has a constant voltage in the breakdown region. Next question. In a reversed bias PN junction, the current through the junction increases abruptly at 0.5 volts, 1.1 volts, 0.72 volts or breakdown voltage. And the answer is breakdown voltage. 24. The main reason why the electrons can tunnel through the PN junction is that A. Barrier potential is very low, they have high energy, impurity level is low, or the depletion layer is extremely thin. And the answer is because the depletion region is extremely thin, electrons can tunnel through the PN junction diode. Next question. The potential barrier exists across the PN junction corresponds to A. Width of the barrier, B. Reverse bias of the junction, C. Forward bias of the junction or D. Height of the barrier. And the answer is height of the barrier. Next question. Mobile electrons of P side of the PN junction diode constitute minority current carriers, majority current carriers. C. Depending upon voltage, they may be either majority or minority current carriers or D. Free electron. And the answer is due to minority current carriers. Next, the knee voltage of a crystal diode is approximately equal to A. Applied voltage, B. Breakdown voltage, C. Forward voltage or D. Potential barrier or barrier potential. And the answer is barrier potential, which is 0.7 volts. Next question. Light emitting diode is A. Heavily doped, B. Lightly doped, C. Intrinsic semiconductor or D. Zener diode. The answer is heavily doped. Next question. Which of the following materials can be used to produce infrared LED? A. Si, that is silicon, B. GaAs, that is gallium arsenide, C. CDS, that is cadmium sulfide, or D. PBS, that is lead sulfide. And the answer is gallium arsenide. 30. The color of emitted light from LED depends upon a construction of LED, that is physical dimensions, B, number of available carriers, C, type of semiconductor material used, or D, number of recombinations taking place. And the answer is type of the semiconductor material used.